cute curly bob style with the orange copper colored trend. Now I wish we could definitely get a closer look at the style, but very cute bob. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here we have someone trying out that very popular Bardot bang trend. This is a highly requested hairstyle at the moment. And if you guys do want more of a deeper dive into this trend, check out my sister channel, Style Trend Seeker, where I give a little bit more insight on this trend and why it is currently circulating around. So the client here is getting the Bardot bangs. I really like her hair color. She does have more of like that copper orange tone as well. Stylist also does a little bit of a layered look for this one. And those bangs just frame out her face beautifully. Next up, we have another hot hair idea, the French girl style bob. This is a bob that features more of that like tussle texture. So if your hair is on the thinner side and you're looking for some ways to make it appear thicker, the French girl style bob would be a great look to try out. Next up, we see someone with mid-length blonde hair. So she ends up getting some color. Trimming of the ends. Ooh, beautiful dimensional blonde makeover. Looks like he added in a bit of baby lights. Very nice. I like that wavy texture he did here too. Kind of looks like She just stepped off the beach. So next up, we have another hair transformation. Now she has hair around the waist length or so. The stylist does a strand test. Chops off the ends. Mixes in some color. There is the before. Oh, there is the after. Absolutely gorgeous. She's got the face framing highlights going there. Beautiful dimension. Beautifully done. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.